Being cool used to be so easy. I used to be so cool, my dimples would frost over. But take it from me, nobody stays cool forever. Over the years, I've tried everything. I tried cold yoga. I tried ice yoga. I made all my t-shirts into tanks and my tuxedos into tanksedos. Even jogging in slow-mo, which honestly isn't as cool as it looks. I even thought about shaving my head. No. And of course I've tried air conditioners, but even this old AC couldn't keep it cool. It all seemed hopeless until I discovered Midea U. An AC upgrade? I didn't think it could be done, but look. Now that's cool. Now I'm as cool as ever. No more fanny packs full of ice packs for me. Midea U, an upgraded AC for cool people and other people. For mostly cool people. Smart, cool people. Well, cool people who are hot. People who are cool, why not?
Whynter portable air conditioners offer mobile and convenient cooling solutions anywhere you need it. With an easy setup and powerful cooling, Whynter portable air conditioners provide a convenient way to stay cool and comfortable. The Whynter ARC-14S 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner is a highly effective dual hose unit that provides exceptionally effective cooling when you need it most. Utilizing a dual hose system, this unit is able to more efficiently cool and maintain the conditions within a room. This portable air conditioner comes in two versions, the ARC-14S, which is a cool-only unit, and the ARC-14SH, which has a heat pump function that can be used as a space heater during cooler weather. For the portable air conditioner to cool effectively, the hot air the unit removes from the room needs to be vented to the outside. The window venting kits that come with our Whynter portable air conditioner fits most standard windows. You may make a custom modification and vent the exhaust through a wall or into a drop ceiling. Lift the window and adjust the window slide bars to the width or height of your window. Next, tighten the screws to hold the slide bars in position. Make sure the grooved side of the window slide bar is facing inside. Insert the fixtures to the holes of the window slide bar. Make sure the two closure tabs of the fixture are facing the inside. Install the 4 screws of the fixture from the inside. The end of the screw should point towards the outside. Close the window tightly enough to hold the slide bar in place. Attach the hose connectors to both ends of the hoses. Attach one end of the hoses to the back of the air conditioner. Extend the hoses as needed and attach the other end to the window slide bar. The easy setup process is complete. You can now enjoy your Whynter portable air conditioner. Pull open the top air vent. Power on the unit using the control panel. Select Cool Mode by pressing the Mode button. Set desired temperature by pressing the plus and minus buttons. Select fan speed by pressing the fan button. This unit comes equipped with a pre-filter as well as an odor neutralizing carbon filter.
Standing in a glass bowl at the end of a black hole, cold, lost and upside down. Faces swirling past me, all my memories rolling vastly, cold, lost beneath the ground.
This interior portion of this unit is basically structurally sound enough to stand alone. We have side handles in the front face, so it's very easy to pull out. Freidrich uses a solid steel base pan and inner wall. Our inner wall is galvanized steel. This is more durable. It's going to prolong the life of the unit. While the competitor, they use molded styrofoam. Our competitors, they use a galvanized steel end plate. And although galvanized steel is corrosion resistant, when you punch the galvanized steel for the holes that the tubes pass through on the coil, it exposes that to the copper, which ultimately will end up with rust. With our aluminum plates, we don't have to worry about that. The Freidrich air conditioners are made with commercial grade, fully enclosed motors. Freidrich uses a sheath protective wiring. Our wire is completely protected, which is going to increase the life of our product. The Freidrich room air conditioning units are developed with a rear grille that, one, is aesthetically pleasing, but also protects from vandalism. A rear grille is placed away from our coil, so there's no way to actually get to the coil to damage it. If the rear coil is damaged, it will degrade the performance or the EER of the unit. One, it has a protective grille on the outside, has a Freidrich logo, everything about it says Kuhl.